friends of the twins. It's me, Shonda, here. Yeah, I like to clean at night. So I'm about to tackle this kitchen. I need to take my Christmas decor down, as you can see a little bit, maybe over by the TV. Been cooking in here, got a sink full of dishes, need to sweep and mop and clean countertops. Also, we'll be finishing up my tablescape that I've been working on, and as well as I need to refresh my snack station. Y'all hang in there with your girl. This is my snack cart. I check it every week and refill and refresh as needed. So by it being the first week in January, I've gotten rid of all of the things that I had in there for Christmas and getting ready to restock it. But at the top, there's a chalkboard. Now I like to write my family a little note of some sort. Just something that they can look at when they get a snack and know that this snack was sent from Mom. Just a little personal touch. You know, I like the little details about things in a house.
And speaking of details, Cheetah Living has sent Shonda over a beautiful new banquette. It is the Lila L-shaped minimalist dining banquette, and it comes with storage. So they are indeed going to be contributing to the detail in Shonda's breakfast area. Now, I can remember when banquettes were popular back in the day. In a lot of instances, a banquette will actually increase your seating capacity while creating a cozy and intimate dining experience all at the same time. Shonda has chosen it in the color linen. That also comes in khaki, and it is modular, so you're able to configure it in any way that's going to best fit your space. Please check down in the description box below. We'll have the link to the banquette as well as any discount codes. Everything will be listed down there. The top row is more for Shonda and Boob Daddy. It is full of healthy things like nuts as well as the soursop tea. Friends of the twins, if you are a tea lover and you want something that is both caffeine free, full of antioxidants and other healthy things, that I would encourage you to look into soursop tea. I'm sure it'll be something that you will all enjoy. They've also made a conscious decision to cut back on sugar, and they've actually been doing this now for going on close to a year. Shonda has lost about 8 pounds, and Friends of the Twins Boo Daddy is down over 25 pounds. So here we're taking a look at Shonda's banquette during the daytime. And Friends of the Twins, it does in fact seat 5, but she did not choose to use the corner piece because it was going to be too much of a tight fit in correlation with the door. This set is perfect for her dining area. It is made with a high performance fabric. It has foam cushions. And once we got it together, we were so amazed that she actually went from a 4-seater to a 6-seater. A banquette is just a great way to be able to add even more seating within the same amount of space. So now there's room for her and Boo Daddy, me and Shuggy, and we just might let a kid or two join us. Probably not. We probably won't do that. One little tweak that she is looking forward to making is now, although the rug is a beautiful one, the one that she has under this table, it is now a little bit small, but we do think that she has one in her arsenal somewhere that is going to be a better fit. But I really love this rug that Shonda has under this table. It's so pretty. Friends of the Twins, as always, you make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.